Okay guys, I currently have 5k Robux. I just wanted to tell you if I should see if I should get this. Do you think it would worth it for these? Or do you think I should wait until the weapon that I use a lot comes up? Like, what's a weapon that we haven't got yet? I'm gonna check into my what? I've never got a key rifle, an energy rifle, not a key. Not a mini key, which would be for the. If we get like the key daggers, yeah, there are the key daggers. Like if there's a key knife soon, but I wish I had this skin. I wish I just had that skin. Like this skins that I want to get super badly. Oh. Those are the key round and a key song. So no. Like the weapons that I usually use are either boost rifle that we might get a skin for. Like I really want to get there was already there's a key Uzi I want to class out. I do use Uzi. Oh. Is auto key fists? The weapon that I also used is the scythe. Skin. Oh, I wish I just had this skin right now. This skin, but I didn't get to get it. Key sniper skin. Why? Like I don't use the flamethrower that much. I like the key thrower skin. If there's gonna be key pistols, guys, if there are key pistols, and if I ever see key pistols or key shot, like for the shotgun. A key shot, a saki. There's already a saki. If there's a key grenade, oh so much. Like if we ever get key pistols, I'm definitely getting the key pistols. And do you know what skin I want to have? I would have the yellow skin right now. Finisher has to be like a yellow one with pixel cool. And the charm has to be a yellow charm, and I have the mini key because it's gonna come with a. Because I want to get one that comes with a key. Ooh, rivals. Okay, guys, that's all I wanted to tell you. I think I might save it. Or maybe not save it. I have absolutely no idea. So see you guys